Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can fix the no sound issue or bug in your Google Chrome web browser really quickly. So let us get started right away. Now, in the first step, launch the Chrome browser, of course, be it on your laptop or on your PC. And in the next step, you will need to access your browser settings. To do that, click on these three dots in the top right corner of your home screen and select settings from that drop-down menu. Here inside your Chrome browser settings, take a look at that panel here to the left and head over to privacy and security. In the privacy and security section here to the right, select the lowermost option, which is site settings. So let me do that really quickly. And here in your site settings, what you want to do, guys, is scroll down a bit till you get to that feature or section here, additional content settings. So expand it by clicking on that arrow down icon here to the right. And what you want to do after that is click on sound here, or on the arrow to the right icon here, to access your Chrome browser sound settings. So guys, basically what you want to need to do is set a default behavior for the sound options for your Google Chrome web browser. You may do that here below by simply enabling sites can play sound here instead of choosing the option below, which is don't allow sites to play sound. So if you accidentally turned off that feature for sites you visit via Google Chrome here, this is how you can reverse that and simply enable sound again. Alternatively, guys, you may also check if you haven't added any custom behaviors or rules below. For instance, to give specific sites the permission to play sounds, or if you accidentally block the specific site from playing sound. So if that's the case, guys, you can enable or disable the rule here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.